Hello everyone, Daniel here. In today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process in which you can create YouTube channel using just your smartphone. Now, everything I'm going to show you today, how to create YouTube channel, will just be using just your smartphone alone. I'll show you the step-by-step. Everything you need in order to get started will be shown to you in this video. So, if you are ready, let's jump right into it. So, the first thing you have to do is to come to your Google Play Store here and download this application. So you come to Google Play Store. I'm actually using an Android. It depends on the device you are using. So you just come here and search for YouTube. So just search for YouTube. YouTube YOUB. Okay, YOUT like YouTube. Just search for YouTube like that. Then you're going to download two applications like this YouTube application itself. You're going to download it and also download another application known as YouTube Studio. Okay, YouTube Studio. These are the two applications that is needed for you to be able to create your own YouTube channel using just your smartphone. It's very important. Just follow the step-by-step process I'm going to show you, and you are good to go. You have nothing to fear whatsoever. Now, when you have done that, just come to the application here. This application here, I'm going to open my own here. Now, when you open the application, it's going to present you to just automatically your YouTube channel. Everybody literally have a YouTube channel. Not as much as you have a Google Gmail. You have a YouTube channel. So if you have not created a Google Gmail, ensure to create it. Automatically, you have a YouTube channel. You have a YouTube account, a YouTube channel automatically. But it's not really a full channel. Just for you to be able to view other videos. But I'm going to show you can actually have your own channel by itself, just like my own channel that I have here. So what I'm going to do now is to come to this avatar here. Then you just come to your channel. So when I click your channel here, I'm going to come to my own channel, automatic channel. So this is my own channel. You can see my banner, my images, my logo, and all the videos I've uploaded. So if you are new to my channel, kindly click on the red button to subscribe. I create video now you can make money online and everything that surrounds business. How to be more profitable in your business. When I see opportunities, I present it to you and you use it fast like that. Everybody like opportunities, so I also love opportunities. When I see opportunity after that, I bring it to you. So this channel is going to help you a lot. Just click on the red button and subscribe. So now, how can you create your own channel? So what you have to do, as I said earlier, is to have your own Gmail account. Then come to your avatar here. Then you just come straight. So let me just log out and log into my own Gmail account and that account here. So I have quite a lot of email here. So I'm going to use another channel. So I'm going to use my own here. This one just a new email I just created. I want to show you step by step how you can do that. So when you just click on your avatar there, it's going to tell you. Then you go to your account. So like now, what just happened now is that I just try to log into a new Gmail that I have not created an account whatsoever. So I click on my avatar here. Then I'm going to come to your account. So when you click on your account, this is going to pop up for you that how you will appear. So now you can change your picture. You want to change your picture, but you can do that later. Then you change your name. Now this name here, any name here, you put it to be your YouTube channel name. So for example, let me say my YouTube channel is business. Let me just call it business center. You know, just a generic name like that, business center. Then I will click on save. Now I will click on create channel. So automatically my channel will be created. It's just simple like that. It's very, very simple. My channel has been created like just like that, without doing anything. Without necessarily going to my laptop to do any magic. The magic is being done on my smartphone. So I'm going to click on edit channel. So when I click on edit channel, it's going to bring me here to where I can add my description. Description means tell us what your channel is all about. So I'm going to say this channel is all about business and money, just like that. About business and money. I just put okay, let me search for money again and put the icon for money, just like that. Then when you have done that, click on OK. Then you are good to go. Everything has been created. So all you have to do is just to get your channel art and your logo. Now, ladies and gentlemen, your channel has been created now. You can begin to create video. So when what does that mean? Can begin to create video? Like for example, I can just click on create video and upload video, and people begin to come to my channel, subscribe and like. But I've actually created a course where I explain everything, how you can get your logo, you can get your channel, channel art, how you can edit video using your smartphone, how you can run the YouTube SEO, everything. I've explained everything in this video in the course. So I'm going to put the link below. Just click on the link and you go to the course. Now I'm giving just 10 people opportunity to buy the course for just 1,000 naira. Then after that, it's going to increase back to its normal price of 5,000 naira. So just be among the lucky people that are going to get the course for 1,000 naira. Apart from me getting the course, I'm also going to add you to a private YouTube WhatsApp group where I'll be continually be uploading content on how you can make money on YouTube, and continually it's going to be exclusively for YouTube and for people that have gotten the course. So immediately you buy the course, it will automatically be added to the group, and I'll continually load the group with so many goodies. So the link is below. Just click on the link and you are good to go. So ladies and gentlemen, you have created your YouTube channel now. Now it's now time for you to make it more professional. Click on the link, get the course just for 1,000 naira, and it has so many goodies that await you. So I look forward to see you in the course. All right.